Norwex cloths do not disinfect. Now hear me out. As a professional cleaning business owner of over 10 years and a green certified cleaning business owner with several certifications from World Health Organizations and other organizations on how to properly disinfect, sanitize, and kill germs, viruses, and bacteria, let me explain. You cannot disinfect a surface with just water and a towel. Water is not a disinfectant. Cloths are not disinfected on their own if there is no disinfecting solution in them, and you have to have a dwell time. Cleaning is removing dirt, grime, dust, debris, or bacteria off of a surface. You're removing it. You're not killing the germs, virus, or bacteria. You're removing it. There may still be germs, viruses, or bacteria left behind on the surface after you've wiped it down. What the Norwex cloths do, it has a silver lining in it. It's called backlash. What that silver does is it helps inhibit bacteria growth on the cloth. When a cloth is damp with water and you just leave it, after a few hours, it gets all smelly and it grows bacteria. That's just a normal process with any type of cloth that's wet. The Norwex cloths, with their silver in the cloth, inhibits bacteria growth. It doesn't stay bacteria free forever. You have to wash the cloth. So just because it has the silver in the cloth does not mean it is a disinfectant. If you're using it just to wipe down some dust off of books, you don't need a disinfectant for that. But if you're using the Norwex cloth to wipe down a toilet seat that somebody has the stomach bug and just did their thing into it, you're not disinfecting the toilet just because you have a Norwex cloth. That's not how science works. You need a liquid disinfectant, whether it's a disinfectant wipe or a disinfectant spray or a disinfectant mist. You need a liquid that has a disinfectant in it, whether it's plant-based disinfectant, peroxide, chlorinated bleach. You need to spray it down on the surface, make sure it's safe for the surface first, and follow the proper dwell time to kill whatever germ, virus, or bacteria you're looking to kill. The Norwex cloth is not going to disinfect your toilet. If you ask Norwex, what's the dwell time for the cloth, they're going to say there is no dwell time because it's not a disinfectant. Water is not a disinfectant. That's not how science works. Any other microfiber towel, cotton towel, hemp towel will do the same exact thing that a Norwex cloth does for removing spills, for cleaning gunk, for picking up throw up, for cleaning. Any towel will do. A cut-up t-shirt will do the same thing. A kitchen paper towel will do the same thing because they are all just cleaning. So the Norwex cloth for cleaning is no different than any other cloth. The difference is it has that silver in it that will help inhibit bacteria growth. When I see people that are Norwex representatives, sellers, here's my link, buy it with my link, and they want to sell the cloth, and they post things like, get rid of your disinfectants. You don't need all these toxic chemicals. You don't need these disinfectants. All you need is a Norwex cloth. That's misinformation. That is not accurate. That's wrong information. I personally emailed Norwex years ago. You can do that too if you don't believe me. And I asked them, is your cloth a disinfectant? And they said, no, we don't make claims that it is. But when people are trying to sell the cloths and they make these posts like, use this cloth, it's flu season, all you need is Norwex, it's COVID, all you need is, no, that is wrong information. But what I do know is science, and what I do know is facts, and what I do know is reading. And I will always call out the bullshit when I see it. I am of the mindset of accurate information and not misleading people just to try to get a buck. I don't know if people are saying the information without knowing it. So maybe they're just being ignorant and naive and they don't know what they're saying. But all it takes is just a few minutes of Googling and reading and contacting the company that you're selling the product and ask them. If you like the Norwex towel because you think it's a great towel, then just say it. But don't say things that are not accurate. Get rid of your disinfectant sprays. Get rid of them. You don't need them. Yeah, you still do. If you're looking at killing germs, viruses, or bacteria, you need more than just a cloth with water. And for the people that I see say things like, I'll just use it to clean my toilet and then go clean my kitchen counter and I don't need any toxic cleaners. Are you using the same cloth? Like, you're not washing that in between? That's gross. If you're in a dentist's office and you see him use a towel and he dampens it with water, and then he wipes down the counter that has like God knows how many germs from other people there, and then he wipes down the instruments with the same cloth, and then he's going to put the instruments in your mouth, how would you feel about that? Because I would not be cool with that. That would be cross-contamination and disgusting. So when somebody's using a Norwex cloth to wipe down their kitchen counter after somebody just dropped raw chicken on it, and they're going to use that same towel to then wipe down a baby bottle, you don't think that's disgusting? I hope my video helps. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't believe me? Google it. Don't believe me? Message Norwex and ask them. Follow along for more cleaning tips and tricks from Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.